Let's say that you're on an island in the middle of the ocean and that you want to transmit to webcast a total solar eclipse. Well, first, you must look at the eclipse with telescopes, special fancy telescopes that will show fantastic colors. In fact, you might want to bring three different telescopes that show different variations of beautiful, extraordinary light. And to speak about the images from the telescopes, to explain what you see, you will need a host. And the host will stand here. They will be able to talk about what the telescopes see because they see it too, on the monitors. And what you see emanates from the camera. Here the camera will look at the host and the camera operator will stand here and look into their own monitor, looking at the host who is looking at the telescope monitor. You may even have two different cameras because one will be on the people, the talent, and the other will be a close-up, say, of what they're holding, like this little model of the moon and the earth. And the cameras, they are connected to cables. The cables run all the way along the ground to the control center over here. At the other end of the cables, they plug into various devices that are electronic, devices that are for sound and video. We lose track of where all the cables go. It is a mumble-jumble of cables, but they all do really important things, and they all are plugged in correctly. On the other side of this table are the technical staff. Here we have a sound person. He's adjusting the audio levels, and he has the aid of a computer to do live sonification. And over here, we have the video switcher. This is where the director can see the different shots from the different cameras and telescopes. And the telescopes and the cameras are connected over here so that they can be fine-tuned by the video engineer. Over here, there's even more video switching going on just with the telescopes. And if we follow the cables even more, we will see them running along the ground. Here they are. Let's see where they go. The cables, they run to what we call the satellite tent. The satellite tent is very noisy. It is very far away. There are more devices and controllers here that process the information, the visual image, the webcast, and these devices compress it, making it ready for live transmission. Then they send it to the big dish. The dish, it's over here. It's the satellite dish. It's pointed to the sky, and you must not get very close to it because it's very strong. The dish looks to the satellite, and it transmits the webcast to the satellite in space, and then finds its way to your screen.